Hi everyone, welcome back to Fluent English Steps. I am so happy you are here today, ready to practice speaking with me. This video is going to help you train your listening and speaking at the same time. We are not going to talk about grammar or rules. We are going to live a day together in simple, natural English. All you have to do is listen carefully, and when I push, repeat it after me. Try to copy my tone, my rhythm, and my voice. That's called shadowing, and it's one of the best ways to sound fluent. I wake up early in the morning. I stretch my body and take a deep breath. I open the window and feel the fresh air on my face. It's a new day and I feel thankful for that. Then I go to the kitchen and make a cup of coffee. The smell of coffee makes me feel awake and happy. Sometimes I check my phone or listen to music while drinking coffee. If you are practicing with me right now, you are serious about improving your English. Every time you repeat, your mouth and brain get stronger together. Don't worry about mistakes, they are part of learning. If you like this video, click like and subscribe and join the Fluent English Steps for more videos. After coffee, I take a shower and get ready for the day. I brush my teeth, wash my face and comb my hair. I put on my clothes and look in the mirror. I smile and say to myself, today will be a good day. Then I grab my bag and keys and I am ready to go out. I walk outside and feel the morning air. The streets are busy, people walking, cars moving, birds singing. I take a bus to work and I like to look out of the window during the ride. Sometimes I listen to English podcast or music. It helps me start my day with good energy. I arrive at work and start my computer. The first thing I do is check my emails. Then I make a small list of what I want to finish today. I talk with my colleagues and plan our projects. If you are a student, maybe you start classes or study sessions. No matter what you do, remember to stay positive and focused. Even small tasks can make your day productive if you do them with energy. Look at you, still here, still speaking. That's amazing. Each sentence makes you more confident. Keep repeating and you will notice your fluency improving quickly. After working for a few hours, it's time for lunch. I usually eat starting light, maybe rice, vegetables or sandwich. Lunch is a great time to relax and talk with friends. We laugh, share stories and enjoy the moment. After lunch, I feel ready to continue my day. If you are still shadowing with me, you are strong and focused. You are building the kind of daily habit that makes real fluency possible. Small efforts like this create huge results over time. The afternoon can feel long sometimes. When I feel tired, I take a short walk or drink some water. I finish my important work before the evening. I try to stay focused and organized even when I'm sleepy. Finally, the work day ends and I head home. The sunlight is softer now, the air feels calm, and the world slows down. You are doing what most people only plan to do, actually speaking English every day. Fluency is further consistent, and you are proving that. Each sentence you repeat is progress you can feel. When I get home, I relax for a while. Sometimes I cook dinner, maybe pasta, rice, or soup. Cooking helps me unwind after a busy day. While eating, I like to watch something fun or talk with my family. Evenings are for slowing down, feeling calm, and appreciating the small things. You have already spoken hundreds of sentences with me today. That's incredible. Keep noticing your improvement. Your fluency is growing faster than you think. Short daily practice like this make a huge difference. Before bed, I like to think about my day. I ask myself, what went well today? What can I do better tomorrow? I write 3 things I am grateful for. Then I turn off my phone, close my eyes and rest. Every day may seem ordinary, but every day helps us grow. If you are speaking along with me until now, congratulations. You have completed a full English shadowing sessions, and that's not easy. You have built focus, confidence, and speaking power. Remember, fluency comes from actions, not rules. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and never stop speaking. Thank you for spending time with me. Keep listening and keep improving step by step. See you in the next video.